Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn user interface of Solidworks. So this is the welcome screen of Solidworks. Here you can find multiple things. First of all, you can create new part, assembly or drawing, or you can open existing components. From here you can access your recently opened documents and recently accessed folders. And here in resources you can find multiple options, like you can get help from Solidworks or from user communities, and also you can look through what is new in this particular version compared to the previous one. At the right you have this task pane. Let me first click outside somewhere that make this welcome screen invisible. At the right you have task pane. In task pane you have first of all resources, design library, your personal files and folders, view palette that you can access during engineering drawing creations. You can see here different views, that is appearances. Here you can apply colors or material colors or background scenes, and at last you have custom properties. To reopen welcome screen there are two options available. First of all, you can click this welcome icon, or from here you can click this welcome to Solidworks. Other than that, in welcome screen you have at the top that is called Solidworks menu bar. This is shortcut toolbar or quick access toolbar where you can access like new documents, open documents, tools. At the center you have title bar. Here you can see there is a search command bar where you can search commands, Solidworks help, your personal files and folders, or your profile. Here you can log into your profile, and at the end you have help where you can access what's new or introducing Solidworks PDF, where they are introducing Solidworks in a very basic way. Now let's get into the part workbench. So there are a couple of options available. First of all, from the welcome screen where you can click part design part, or you can access part design workbench. Second option is press this new icon, select part and click OK. So now we are going into the part design workbench, as you can see it. So at the top here, this is called command manager. Let me drag it. So this is the command manager, as you can see. So there are command managers for different workbenches. The first is features, which is also part design, then sketch, surfaces, sheet metal, markup, evaluate and add-ins. So there are different workbenches that are available here for simulations or routing. They are yet to be activated. We will see how to do it in upcoming videos. Your command manager is a little bit different from me because I customized it according to my preferences. How to do it we will see in the next video. At the left side you have feature manager design tree. Here is the first of all feature manager design tree, then property manager, configuration manager, dimension expert manager and display manager. Here you can see whatever product you are going to develop, history of that product or commands that you have used, you can see it here. At the bottom you might not be able to see this in this video, but that is called status bar, and at the bottom right corner you have unit system where you can change unit for this particular document only. And at last you have this window, with this toolbar. This is called heads up toolbar or view toolbar, and at the center you have design space. There are three more toolbars available in Solidworks. First, that is called S menu toolbar. You need to press S key from your keyboard and you can access this S menu toolbar. This S menu toolbar is different for sketch, assembly and drawing. So commands available here will be different for each of every workbenches that you are going to access. Second, mouse gestures. Press and hold your right click from mouse, and you can access these mouse gestures. Here you can add up to 12 tools, and you can easily access them wherever you need. And the last, you have context menu bar. For that you need to right click. So with the right click menu at the top, you can see this context menu. These all toolbars that are shown you in this particular video are fully customizable. Now how to customize them, that we are going to see in the next video. For this video, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.